good Saturday morning. I woke up here in my own bed, working on the video right now. Still gotta get out and do some yard work. I am making a couple Egg McMuffins, and that's it so far. I've had a glass of coffee, or a cup of coffee, and Kim's in the back. I don't know what she's doing, getting ready, or I don't know. It's like 9:30, so I'm not sure what we're doing today. If anything, I'm sure we'll do something, but I'll maybe wash the bike because I haven't had enough of the bike. Anyway, I gotta tend to my breakfast, so we'll talk to you later on today. All right, we're heading over to Kyle's. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning and straightening. He still has like a month and a half before his new renters will be moving in. So we've got a little bit of time to do all that, but we're gonna get a start. Kim already got a start, but we're gonna continue on. Sorry it's so dark in here. Yeah, bring some waters. All right, so this is Kyle's house. It's just empty, it's a little dirty.
Yeah.
But not bad at all. I mean, it was just him living here, so.
Is that your break over there?
What's that?
Is that your break?
Yeah. So, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
And this way Kyle can see that his house is still good. All right, Kim and I are gonna go get some lunch.
Yes, I'm famished.
Oh, we did a little cleaning out at Kyle's house, and all we had for breakfast was that little English muffin with eggs. So we're both pretty hungry.
It's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, yeah. It's way after lunch. But we're gonna go over to BJ's and the brew house, for those that don't know. And we're gonna get some lunch. Kim has a gift card that she got for her birthday, so we're gonna use it. Yep. Good times. Going to BJ's.
That's okay. Oh my God. Really?
So Mom and Dad already ate, but they just came to drink.
Oh my God. Here's great.
What's that, iced tea? Long Island?
Good point.
Oh, okay. All right, so we had a good time. My folks were there. I don't remember if I filmed them, but they were there. And yeah, that's right, when they walked in. They just had, Mom had some iced tea, Dad had a couple beers, and Kim and I both ate some chicken, which was really good. And really that's about it. We had a great time, yep.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna head home and do nothing. So I just want to sit at home for a while. Capiche?
Sure.
The afternoon monsoons are back. Every afternoon for about the next 2 months, they're gonna look like this. All stormy. Stormy weather. Oh, we got a dust storm brewing out there. You can hear the wind whistling. Yeah, look at that rain. Oh, it smells like rain. Oh, this is kind of exciting. I mean, it's not a lot of rain, but for us it is.
Oh, yeah, that's what I heard. Bucket.
Oh yeah, it's buckets blowing around over there. Man, I still gotta get out here and bale this backyard. All right, it was a very uneventful day today. It's tough coming back from vacation because you kind of wind down and you don't do a lot of recording. You know, nothing really is happening. But let's see. Tomorrow we have Orange Theory Fitness, which would be nice because I haven't been there in about 2 weeks, a little over 2 weeks, I think. So I'm ready. It's going to be a tough workout, I'll tell you that. I have not eaten well the last couple weeks. So that'll be fun. Oh, and I updated the map for the summer trip. Came down here through New Mexico, down through El Paso to San Antonio. That's where I undergraduated Air Force basic training. Then up through Fort Worth to Wichita, where I stayed with AKA Our Life, Keith and Abby, for a couple nights. And then I came back down here through Albuquerque to Flagstaff and back home. So it was a good trip. What I do, about 2,800 miles. So that was a good time. I enjoyed it. But anyway, I'm getting in bed because it's late and we've got to get up early for the gym. So thanks for watching, and for everyone who has subscribed recently, I appreciate it. We'll do this again tomorrow. So good night.